you'll be surprised today. What am I doing with this? So I hope most of you are aware of this, right? So it is a nail filer. So when it comes for nail, be it youngsters or old generations or guys or female, all everyone wants their hand nail, because one other thing is teeth and hand. Nails, it should always be clean, correct? So usually what happens is, whatever work you're doing, maybe you're a farmer or maybe you're an employee or a doctor, professional or a, agriculturist, whatever it is, hand we are using for any time. All of us use our hands for everything, for eating. So first thing is hygiene is very important, correct? So that's a reason, as well as when you are professional or when you are not professional, we will actually project our hand every now and then. We will for a handshake. So nowadays, yeah, we don't go for handshake because of COVID, but yeah, we do namaste. That's when we will show our nails. Okay, so maintaining the hygiene of the nail is very important. So today I'm going to show how to file your nails. So these nail filing is very necessary for your nails. So whenever you cut your nails, I'm very sure that all of you will cut your nails. So this hygiene is very essential always. So when you before you cut, what you have to do, after you cut, after filing, what you have to do, when I am gradually doing the process in my video, I will explain you. So come, let's take a look on the video. I'm into my bathroom again. This is the area where I have kept it for my hygiene routine, so I can decorate this area as well maybe, but I just don't prefer to keep any of the walls or anything, because this is an area where we have to be much hygiene. So I wanted to go with the natural plants, so that's the reason I have not decorated that area. So in future gradually I'll keep the natural plants there, which is actually going to avoid the bad odor. So now first I have dried my hands, washed my hands, and now I'm trying to cut my nails in the edges and then file. So because when you're filing for the longer nails, just you have to cut the nails at the edges, okay? But when you want to make it shorter, only then you go in the center, cut the nail. Edges also you need to cut. First you go with the edges in the cross way, okay? So u shape, you have in the u shape edge, how it will come. In the similar way, both the edges you have to cut. And if you want to make a nail shorter, then only go touch at the center, or else just leave it and directly go for the filing is also nothing, just move to and fro, just a to and fro motion only, like a saw. So that's also very gently you can do, and very easily it will work. So see here I'm just cutting my nail. A nail cutter also, it should be very good. I want to say maintain the hygiene. After cutting your nail, just try to wash your nail cutter also and dry it and keep it inside. Here, this is my nail filer. So it's a Baker brand, and I bought it online only. You can go for online and buy, or you can go in the shops also, you'll get it. Because when you go for the pedicure set or manicure set, it comes in the pack. Actually I have it. So next on the forthcoming video I'll show you the pedicure or manicure. I think manicure would be much better, so I'll be showing that. So here this is just a part of manicure what I have shown you, just filing, okay? Filing and cutting the nail. But when it comes to the manicure or pedicure, there are many methods, 3 to 4 steps. First, where you're going to remove the dead cuticles, and then after of course you're soaking your fingers in the hot water, and then actually applying the cream, cuticle cream, and then cuticle moisturizer. So here nothing, that 3-4 applications cannot be done in the day-to-day routine. So this is very simple, just filing your nail once in 3 weeks, cutting the nails, and then applying the cuticle oil. Here also I'm not going with the cuticle oil that is meant for that. Any normal oil which can strengthen your nail, go for that. Olive oil is very best, okay? You can use it So I have aroma brand olive oil which I use for my mehendi also. So the same thing I'm using for my nail moisturizer as well. Strengthening your nail is very important, and like how you have a routine hair care or a health skin care, similarly nail care is also essential, and nail care is much important because yeah, that's a nail which touches the food what we eat. So not when you're washing, if you wash your hands also, still there is a dirt in the inner part of your nail, then obviously it is that you're not maintaining the hygiene. So nail care is very important. So see, now I finished filing both my fingers, both my hands. So in the right hand I don't grow nail because I prefer hygiene. So occasionally I grow nails, that too maybe when I have to attend some functions or like that, and then gradually I'll cut on the same day or the next day. So now actually I wanted didn't grow my nail properly, mean to say one nail got cut. That's the reason I am cutting all my nails into the equal shape, and so that my nail grows gradually together. So you don't people will think, why do we need to go for the nail care routine? You can just go for the gel nail and it is easy. If you go for the inner truth, you'll come to know. So gel nail is nothing but the what you're doing now for the edge of the nail, you have to do it for the center on the top of the nail. That's really damaging. So nail filing shouldn't be done every week, it will damage. You will not find the effect immediately. Yeah, gradually when you are going to go older, that will come in, that will come into the picture. So try to avoid filing the nail every week, but yeah, when your routine care, make it a part, but do it once in a month or once in 3 months. So the same way I'm following for my son also. Hygiene is very important, so I give a nail cut once in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, because that's enough for him. But based on the growth of your nail, you can do it. But filing, please don't do regularly, because it will affect your good nail growth. And here also I'm just washing his fingers and cutting his nail, again washing his finger, drying it, and then filing, and after that again washing, and then actually applying the cuticle oil, that is my olive oil, and I'm just massaging it in his fingers. And same, so just keep your finger, do this when actually you can, this is actually a routine nail care, right? So do this when actually you're free. I meant to say, when you're taking bath, you'll take time. I feel so that after when you're taking bath, just do this routine, and then after coming, like how you apply moisturizer for your body, face, everywhere. So do this thing also, okay? And it will actually strengthen your nail. And the people who are willing to grow their nail longer, this is more beneficial, and you will have a healthy nail. Gel nails are nothing but putting gel on your finger, that's a gum on your finger, and sticking the nail, and then doing that to make the nail stick longer, and be in a perfect shape. They will file your nails, original nail. So you're gonna damage your original nail and fix the nail, artificial nail. Instead, go with the one which you have. So this is the aroma brand olive oil which I have bought from the shop. So the shop which I buy is Pixies from Chennai. So there are many beauty shops in Chennai which you can visit, or you can directly go online and buy. See, just a simple massage. So next nail care routine, I will be showing you how to do the pedicure. Or before that, there are so many. So I am planning for the Wednesday's video will have a beauty video only. So there are many things which you have to concentrate. So gradually, one thing I'll be showing, elaborating and showing. So thank you for watching my nail filing. Please subscribe, and I love you all.